In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trainerize app. First, download the Trainerize app from the App Store or Google Play, open it up, and log in with the email and password provided in your invite. If you're new to the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation bar. This will make everything else a lot smoother. Start by completing your profile. Tap the profile icon in the top right and update your photo. Choose your units in pounds or kilograms, and add your height, birthday, and goals. Setting the correct units and a clear goal helps your coach tailor your plan and makes your progress tracking accurate from day one. Next, head to the Calendar tab to see your training plan. This is where your workouts, cardio, habits, and check-ins are scheduled. Tap any item on the calendar to open it, read the details, and complete it. Think of the calendar as your daily checklist. Everything you need is organized there. When it's time to train, tap a scheduled workout and hit start. Follow the built-in exercise videos and instructions for proper form. As you go, enter your reps, weight, or time for each exercise. This logs your effort, helps you and your coach spot trends, and makes future sessions more effective. When you're done, tap complete to finish the workout and save your results. For nutrition, go to the Nutrition tab. Depending on your coach's setup, you might track meals with the Trainerize Meal Tracker, sync MyFitnessPal, log calories, follow a meal plan, or complete nutrition habits. Use the targets shown to guide your intake, and try logging meals shortly after eating so your records stay accurate and consistent. To track habits like water, steps, or protein, return to the calendar, tap the habit assigned for today, and select Complete Today. These small wins add up and directly support your training goals. To monitor progress, tap Progress and add updates such as body weight, measurements, photos, and personal best records. Reviewing changes over time is motivating and helps you and your coach adjust your plan when needed. If you need support, open messages to chat directly with your coach. You can ask questions, share videos of your form, and get timely feedback without leaving the app. For coaches using the mobile app, tap Clients to view your roster and open any client's dashboard. Inside a profile, you'll see assigned workouts and programs, nutrition setup, progress stats, compliance, and message history. Use Activity to review completed workouts, logged meals, habits, and check-ins. In Messages, send feedback, voice notes, videos, and check-in reminders to keep clients engaged. You can assign workouts, copy schedules, set start dates, and add on-demand videos right from your phone, perfect for quick edits on the go. In Progress, select a metric to add weight, photos, or measurements and request client